Hello, guys, and welcome back. Today is a special day because you get to know by the thumbnail what it is. But, anyways, we thought of making a nice go and breakfast today, but did not have enough of time, was feeling lazy, so just thought of making eggs, hash brown, and paratha. Tell you what, I've got specialists with me, yeah? This is one, my favorite one. This was the ordinary one which you get on the. I bought this one, I got a barbecue. Don't know how much did I pay, but you got a set of this. And I got the really nice ones, heavy ones. But this is my favorite one. The reason is, it just bends anyhow it wants to turn over the eggs and anything. So, you will understand what I'm trying to say. And here is the hash brown getting ready. It's in the air fryer. Aloo paratha, we bought it from Asda. You get in a pack, so I did not make this one.
So Cashly has made this breakfast and it's ready now.
Guys, I'm going to show you something now, yeah? You see Nadia holding a vase over there with her? Show that? Yeah. Other day, if you all remember St. Anthony's vlog, that day she had bought a vase for the vase. Today she got vase with flowers. What a good deal she picked it up. That's one thing. What she likes, she picks it up. Yeah, we've come to Tesco's over here to buy t-shirt for Angel. It's summer, it's very hot. So we having her full uniform, it's not really good at this time. So rather than just they have in the school the provision they can wear white t-shirts. So that's what we are looking for. This ones. Let's see what we find. Kisha si from fair si dada. Saya tu ya. Kisha?
Hello, La.
Eta?
Eka.
Tu eta? Oi?
Yummy.
Viva kur, viva.
We.
Viva.
We.
Viva.
Viva Sanjao. Barang kali mo papudu.
Mag-iyam ya, mag-iyam.
Teka ata?
Na, teka.
So guys, we usually come to this place to buy toys for kids or any gifts for kids that we want to. We have something to buy. Our place is really awesome. It has a lot of shopping centers around. And
Let me go with.
here we go now.
Let me go in.
Yeah, from the range of the scooters till the range of the cycles over here. Really nice, guys. Angel had her scooter from here. We bought her over here when we had bought a cycle also. She's got it from here. If you want to buy any nice cycle or scooters, Smith is nice. Even for the eldest ones. I've seen this. This is $229. Look at the bike. You got all dolls, eh?
Yeah, I have like these, but different clothes.
So what, do you want to buy clothes or you want to buy dolls?
I have dolls.
Good one. Come here, Angel. You tell something. Mama, you know what? We want to tell all our YouTube family that Angel, we tell Angel personally, like whether she can buy it or not. She can come and see the toys. But if she has toys, she will not buy. But if there's something unique, she will buy. What I like about Angel that Angel understands about this, and we make her understand before we come. So Angel, if there is, we will buy. We need, isn't it? See, Angel is coming with some horse. Just have to push over there.
Yes.
Just push and go. Right, just pedal and the horse moves. The toy horse. It's a nice animals over here. I mean, like, oh my god, somebody has put this parrot in this crocodile's mouth. See this? Yeah, but beautiful. Like, I don't know. People find do the collections to keep them in the showcase, or they have a garden where they want to just place here and there. Looks really nice. So the finishing of this house, beautiful. I'm going to lift this hippo. Can anybody do that? So guys, it's time to go home now. We got all things that we wanted, and now it's time for celebration. Now let's go and celebrate.
Okay, Angel wanted ice cream and Dada said no, so she is like this. Angel, show me your face. Angel.
Okay, come, I'll carry you. Come, I know you're coming. Come. I'll carry you.
Okay, we'll buy ice cream. See? Now she's all.
Okay, if Dada carries her, she'll
The
smile.
YouTube
Huh?
family wants to see you, Angel. Angel.
Yeah, last time I took Kisha, I did not take Angel. So this time Angel is upset, I did not take her. So I'm taking Angel now. Come. I'll carry you. Come, I'll carry you. YouTube family is watching her. She's scared. YouTube family is watching her. Come. Okay, no, I'll carry you. Come.
Oh my god. Yeah. YouTube family wants to see you.
Because it's a celebration day, I'm cleaning my barbecue griller now. This is one of the best barbecue griller I ever had. I take this griller with me anytime, whenever I move. But this is the second time that I moved. But yes, the point is, I'm cleaning this now. This is going to be my first barbecue for this summer. Got some mat for this grill. It helps a lot. Just going to lay on that once. Yeah. So we are ready for the barbecue. I've got a smoker as well. If I want to recipe korpada inge lakad galapa inga. You put the wood, burn them, and keep the sausages over here. Close the lid. Smoke them as much as can. Here, this one, I've got a gas. So if you want to make sauce or you want to cook any pasta or anything, that's the thing. Here, grilling. And actually, you can do a charcoal barbecue as well over here. So just put charcoal, just kind of lift it up and down. So very nice, it's very compact. Don't find them anymore in the store. And the ones which you find are very expensive as well. So let's start the barbecue.
Kisha. Hi, say.
Hi.
Hi, Angel.
Hi.
Say Viva Sanjao.
Viva Sanjao.
There you go, 19,999. Oh, you got it. So friends, here we are. This is the joyful and happy moment. The moment is that we have reached to 20K, and this was all possible because of you guys, that you have made us reach over to this because you guys love us. You have supported us. And for this, we are here to celebrate for you. This all celebration goes to you because you all made it possible for us. And on behalf of K2N family, we all say thank you. So now we are going to cut a cake for celebrating this 20K. And this goes for all of you. If you guys were here, I definitely would have treated for you as well. But you are not here. On behalf of you all and all your love and blessings, let's cut this cake now. Go. Congratulations. Celebration.
Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and content? I used to think that happiness had
Take a what?
been way too, but that was
Mami ke?
when I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations.
And this is to all our subscribers. Viva Sonjang to all. Today is Sonjang Feast. We are not celebrating it with the swimming pool or everything like that. But yes, we are trying to celebrate because it's a very beautiful day. It is our celebration day for the 20K of subscribers that we've got. And the Feast of Sonjang as well. So we're gonna just celebrate with family. So guys, here we are. It's our final day of this vlog and we are here with you guys. We are very, very, very excited and very happy and blessed at the very same time because we reached 20k, and this was not possible if you guys were not there with us, if you were not there supporting us. We started our YouTube channel way back before in 2021,
Yes.
and then we took a gap of year and a half, almost near 2 years of gap, because Keisha was born and we could not manage work, making videos and all things together. And then we decided to come back again, and we tried to make it a little bit different, making a vlog and our food recipes. We love making food recipes. You guys have responded to our recipes a lot. So much of love that you have given us throughout tremendously. We can't express this. Coming this far with 20,000 subscribers who are watching, who love our things, what we do, it's something over the moon. And I know that you guys will be there throughout our journey to make us feel successful to the place where we want to go.
Thank you everyone for your love and support towards our kids as well. You all have showered your blessings on them, and we are so happy that we don't have words to express.
Yes, you have always been saying for us in the videos, isn't it? Like, your babies are cute. The Angel, Keisha, lot of things. You all like the way how we do it. As a parent, we try to do the best what we can give for our child. We try to show as much as good things that we can. This is one thing I say always. We will give our best. We'll try our best. We'll teach our kids the morals. But tomorrow it's up to them how they want to be. I will never judge any parent, because if things are not right, like, sometimes you see some kids, especially in Goa and all, what happens is, "Arey, teke chad choy, teke chod choy," aise aise. You can't blame. No parent wants that. No parents wants our kids to be like, okay, what people will judge us. It is the way how it happens, the things how it goes. Nobody says that, but yes, it is what it is. But in that today is Sanjav also. Yeah. We
Happy Sanjav to everyone.
we was Sanjav to everyone. Yes, we celebrated Sanjav in our own version. We did not have a swimming pool, a
Most
small.
of our families are back in London, so we couldn't call them. But yes, happy Sanjav to everyone, our family, friends. God bless you all.
Yes, and may San Juan keep your blessings over you all throughout your life. And there is a few shout out that we're going to give. There are people who have shown their love. We have just chosen, randomly picking up lots, and we get this out. But yes, these are the shout out that we will give for today. So the first shout out goes to
It's Mandy Gomes.
Mandy Gomes. Yes, Mandy Gomes, I have read about your comments many times. You write to us. Thank you for this blessing and being supporting for us. God bless you and your family. And thanks from K2N family for being supportive for us.
The second shout out is Enjoy Your Present Life.
Oh, enjoy your present.
Yeah,
It's-
we watch her vlogs. Yes.
Enjoy your present life. I'll tell you what, you are very inspiring woman. I really love watching your vlogs sometimes, because I really be very less on TV, watching internet or something, because I be busy with work and I be coming home with family, we shoot videos and all what we do. But Nadia, she and Mama is big friend of yours.
Mashan.
And Mashan, yeah. Her Mashan
Fiza
is
Mashan.
Fiza Mashan. She's a big fan of guys. She gets a real content. I really love watching her. She's very real person. She does a Konkani vlogs. Very nice. God bless your family. I've seen your son. He comes in there, and your husband as well. Your story resembles to Us as well? Yeah, very much. I feel for that story and thank you. Thank you for being there. One day we will be coming with our own story, but there will be a time for
We'll
coming on.
meet you soon.
We will meet you when we come down.
The third shout out is Rensley Rodriguez.
Rensley Rodriguez, a bachelor Rensley Rodriguez until now. But very soon he's going to be married. I know it. Rensley Rodriguez is my cousin. He's my cousin. Yes, very. I don't have a brother, but he is a brother from another mother to me. He's everything. Like, I don't have brother. I've got Rensley and Rimenson as the closest brothers for me. They're my first cousins. Rensley, God bless you. And all the
Thank
best for your good life. And thank you. Yes. Who's next?
And the fourth shout out is Florence Norona.
Florence Norona. Yeah, Florence Norona, yes, I know that you watch every single video of us and you really love the way we do it.
Comments are very nice.
Your comments are so much delight and so much touching. It's really nice to hear when you write that you really feel what we're doing it. But thank you for that. God bless you, Florence Norona. God bless you and your family and always be connected.
And the fifth shout out is Betty Rodriguez. She's very close to us. Yeah.
Very, very, very close. You want to say something about Betty?
Yes, she's very close to us. That she's my brother's godma, and yes, we are grown in their house, and they are the best.
Yes. As far as I know, Nadia doesn't say a lot, but I know Betty Rodriguez is sister of Father Cajutan, who is no more in this world. May his soul rest in peace. When they were kids, they grow up in their house. They have a house in Ponda where they call as a tradition my house. What I thought for it's like my house, but it was like my MAI, my. I'm getting my botanic, they was in my. So it is been known as my house. We have to go make visit, take blessings from her, no matter what. So Betty, thank you for always been saying, not just for supporting for this, but in every other way that you have been supporting for us.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. So friends, this is it. We've hit 20K. The journey begins now here for next 30K and on and on. And I know that you're going to be with us.
Yeah, keep
Yeah.
supporting us as always.
Keep sharing, liking, subscribing to our channel. This makes us very inspired by the way how it goes. Well, thank you for everything. We love you all. God bless you. And our final word to say, adios.